want her to growl at him.
Juno's gonna get you, dude.
I want to see the lip curl. She's so funny when she does it. And now Jack's trying to get in on the act. Come on, Juno, give him the lip curl.
She's gonna get you, dude.
Okay, a really nice guy from the gutted event. I think his name was John. I'm terrible with names. But hey, thanks for giving us this. It's called the Wonderwash. And we have 2 towels, 2 pillowcases, and we're going to try to wash it. Okay, Rico. You're supposed to do it like 1 rotation per second for 2 minutes. So 120 rotations. I don't think it has enough water in it, personally.
No, I don't think it has enough water.
Yeah, I don't think it does because I don't hear it sloshing.
Yeah.
All right. We'll let you know how it turns out, guys. If you guys can see how filthy, nasty, dirty that water is. Whoa! Our clothes were dirty. And they're here in the wash tub. And we're getting ready to dump this dirty water and rinse the clothes.
With the dirty water.
You're crazy, Rico. Hey, everybody. I just got the phone call from the hospital. My surgery is now scheduled for next Wednesday, September 29th. In the morning. They haven't set an exact time that I have to be there. I'm supposed to get a call this afternoon with the exact time, but I'm super stoked. And they have already scheduled my follow-up appointment with the surgeon. So finally getting this wonky ass thumb taken care of. All right, Rico is setting up our shower, and I will show that to you once he gets it all set up, and we're going to take showers. I won't show you that. I don't think you want to see that. Okay, guys, see you in a bit. Peace. This is our shower setup. So we have a rug on the ground. We stand in the big wash tub. We have warm water in the igloo container. Shampoo, conditioner, soap. And this beautiful thing is our shower head. This part goes into the water, which is in here, and you turn it on. It's USB rechargeable. There's the engine, or the little motor. And it pumps the water up through the hose and then out the shower head. And it was a really nice shower. So I highly recommend it. I'll show you the box in a minute. Okay, this is the shower kit that we just used to take our showers. Rise Pro portable shower kit. I got it on Amazon. It's USB charging. And this is the first time we've used it. I think it was $40. And it worked great. So if you guys need an easy way to take a shower outside that's not too expensive, this is the way to go. This is our interim shower option. What I really want is the Joolca, Joolca, but they're on back order till, I don't know, the end of the world. So, yeah, this is what we're using for now. Okay, guys, see you later. There's our clothesline with our newly laundered clothes blowing in the breeze. We have been very productive today. Oh man, tomorrow we go into town to get ice and water because we used all our water today taking showers and doing laundry. Husky versus Dachshund. Let's see where the Dachshund is. What are you doing, Juno? Django, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you a nomad dog? Where's your toy? Is that your monkey? Is that your monkey? You're the goodest boy. You're the bestest boy. Where'd it go? Where'd your monkey go? Where'd your monkey go? Jingo?